What comes to your mind when I use the word travel? And I don't mean for business. Yep, vacation, getaway, places to see, people to meet, connecting with nature, understanding cultures, and most importantly, taking a break from what you do. Did you know though that there is a neurological and psychological impact when you travel? Well, that's what I'm here to share with you. What can travel do for you and why you must make it part of your life. There are two dimensions to the way our mind influences our propensity to travel. According to neuroscience, human beings are neurally wired for movement, probably the reason why we love sports so much. Our bodies are made to move and we naturally adapt to travel. From a psychological standpoint though, most of our journeys are fueled by desire and not need. And where there is desire, there is an emotion. We want to experience pleasure, nostalgia, fear and freedom, the sense of adventure. All of this is possible when you travel. But to narrow it down, here are the top 5 things that travel does to you. Travel helps you break your monotony. We all have long working hours, regular routines and mundane lives. When we travel, we break this monotony and add the novelty factor to it. Also, during the break, you will be experiencing a range of emotions which act as stress busters. So when you come back, you're refreshed and recharged. Travel helps you become mindful. How does it do that? Well, when you travel, it's rare that you can find yourself reminiscing about your past or dreaming about the future. You could be planning though, but that's not what I'm talking about. Since you know you have very limited time, you are trying to make the most of it and hence your brain keeps you in the present. And when you travel, you observe beauty everywhere. For example, if you see any of those travel pictures that generally people share, you would find the scenery or a tree or it's grass, something that we probably see every day, but then you start to appreciate the beauty in it when you travel. Travel helps you reinvent yourself. Patrick Rothfuss said, "A long stretch of road can teach you more about yourself than 100 years of quiet." Sure enough, traveling helps you re-evaluate and reinvent yourself. To give you an example, in my recent road trip, amidst the beauty that I was surrounded, I discovered my love for silhouette of trees. I mean, I used to draw it as a child all the time, but I never realized how much I love it. Just standing there and absorbing all the beauty of it was amazing, and I felt some part of my life being touched, and that's the power of traveling. Travel has positive impact on relationships. What do I mean by that? When you travel with your spouse, partner, friends or family, you get the feeling of connectedness with each other as you're in leisure and a more relaxed state of mind. And if your kids are with you, it makes a huge positive impact on your family function. You will be talking about this experience for years together. Travel shapes your personality. Patience, open to new experiences, new adventures, understanding others' perceptions, empathy and compassion, couple of traits that you can improve with travel. Going and living somewhere which makes you excited and intimidated at the same time can also help you become mentally and emotionally tough. Oftentimes, the driving force behind these changes are the experiences and interactions we've had with other people during the travel. That's it from me. These are my top 5 things that travel can do for you. Do you have any other points that you can contribute to this list? I'd love to hear from you. Do leave a note in the comment section below. Like this video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.